I have a lot of Gujarati friends, and no matter what, all of them always bring one specific dish whenever we go on a day trip, and that dish is Thepla. Thepla is a spiced whole grain flatbread from Gujarati cuisine, and it often serves with mango pickle and plain yogurt. This recipe is healthy, has a rich nutrition profile, and is very easy to make. Let me show you how you can prepare it at home. Start with a bunch of fresh fenugreek leaves. These leaves boost the flavor and nutrition in this flatbread and make it extra healthy. You have to remove the leaves and discard the stems from the bunch. We also need to wash these leaves really well before using them. Fenugreek bunch usually have a lot of dirt, and it's very important to clean them properly. Also make sure you are not adding any stems. Once you clean out your bunch and take out all the leaves, wash them a few times and leave them in the colander so they can dry. Thepla can last really long and people usually carry them while traveling, but to increase their shelf life, you must let your fenugreek leaves fully dry before using them. Next, take 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. They taste really good in this recipe. We will use a grater to grate them. After that, chop all the fenugreek leaves into small pieces. Usually a bunch of fenugreek will give you around 2 cups of leaves. Now take 2 cups of whole wheat flour. For great taste, usually match the amount of flour to the amount of leaves. Add 1.5 teaspoon of til, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon haldi, 3/4 teaspoon red chili powder, optionally half a teaspoon of ajwain, which I will crush in my hands, and optionally a pinch of hing. Next, add your chopped garlic along with the chopped fenugreek leaves. We will also add a small piece of ginger, which I forgot to show, but we will grate it just like the garlic. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt along with 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil will keep your theplas soft, so do not skip the oil. But if you want to increase the shelf life, you can simply avoid the yogurt. Yogurt gives really good taste, but it reduces the shelf life. Now start adding water to make a dough. The goal here is to make a medium soft dough that is not sticky and not too firm. You have to knead the dough for a while. This step usually takes around 5 minutes. Once everything is mixed and the dough is ready, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Spread it on all sides to remove the stickiness of the dough. Now transfer it to a different bowl. Cover it and let the dough sit for around 20 minutes. Once 20 minutes have passed and you are ready to make the theplas, take out your rolling pin and board. You can also use your kitchen shelf instead of a rolling board. Start making medium-sized dough balls and coat them with dry flour. We will need this dry flour for dusting, so keep it close. Theplas cook really quickly, so I suggest making all the dough balls at the start. This will make the cooking process much faster. Always make sure the dough balls do not have cracks in their surface. Once all the dough balls are ready, turn on the heat for your flat pan and let it get hot on medium heat. It's time to roll out the dough balls into roti. I have made multiple roti videos where I have explained the process in detail. These are supposed to be thin, so roll them until you reach that size. You can see here and get an idea of how they should look. Remove any extra flour by passing the rolled dough between your hands. Once you place it on hot pan, stay close because they cook very quickly. As soon as you see bubbles, flip it and spread some oil. Flip it again and spread the oil on the other side. In less than 45 seconds, your thepla will be ready. They cook fast because they are thin. Add a little butter to keep them soft and add more taste. I have seen some people roll all the theplas at once before they start cooking. This way, they won't risk the theplas turning into papadum because they get hard if overcooked even for a few seconds. You can see I have made multiple theplas really quickly, and you can store them for a few days in your fridge. Serve them with yogurt because they taste really good together. You can see they are soft and can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Don't forget to leave a like and try this flatbread at home. I have multiple other Indian recipes which you can check out on my channel, and I will see you in another video.